Sourcing apparel overseas, it often feels like a black box. This playbook is here to change that.
Sound familiar? It's a super common and expensive problem for so many brands out there.
The real problem is you can't see what's going on. That lack of visibility causes all the grief.
So, what is transparency, really? It's not just a buzzword. It's a real system with checkpoints.
Think about it. Actual, trackable updates. No more guessing what's happening with your order.
So this is how you turn that black box into a glass box. Let's get into the playbook.
All right, part 1 is all about your requirements, what you need to do first.
Honestly, it all starts with you. Getting your documentation crystal clear from the get-go is key.
Next up, you got to confirm these production milestones. Think of them as your non-negotiable checkpoints.
Okay, now for part 2. You've done your part, so what should you expect from them?
And wow, look at the difference here. You go from guessing games to actually knowing what's going on.
You should absolutely demand early warnings. A good partner tells you about problems before they're huge.
Plus, expect visual updates. Photos and videos are literally your eyes on the factory floor.
Okay, last part, negotiation. This is how you make sure this whole system is official. First, request structured reporting. Agree on a schedule so there are no surprises in communication.
And this is huge. Confirm accountability. Know who your contact is and who to call when issues pop up.
When you put this playbook in place, you get confidence, control, and way better supplier relationships.
So the big question is your partner playing with an open playbook? They should be.